Crispy meals, faster cooking, and healthier results are changing how kitchens work, bringing convenience and flavor together in one smart appliance. Best air fryer options deliver powerful performance, heat, and easy controls, making everyday cooking simple, efficient, and consistently delicious. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Cosori 120V Air Fryer. The Cosori 120V Air Fryer stands out with its advanced turbo blaze technology, delivering impressive airflow at 3,600 RPM for fast, evenly cooked meals. This high-performance system ensures food comes out crispy on the outside while staying juicy inside, making it ideal for everyday cooking. With a wide temperature range of 90 degrees to 450 degrees and 5 adjustable fan speeds, it offers excellent precision and versatility for different recipes, from fries to baked dishes. The 6-quart square basket is thoughtfully designed to maximize space, allowing you to prepare generous portions without overcrowding your countertop. Another notable feature is its PFAS-free ceramic coating, which enhances durability while promoting healthier cooking. Noise levels are kept minimal, operating under 53 decibels, so it won't disrupt your kitchen environment. Whether you are preparing quick snacks or full meals, this air fryer simplifies the process with consistent results and faster cooking times, making it a reliable choice for busy households.
Number 2. Ninja 1750 Watt Air Fryer. The Ninja 1750 Watt Air Fryer is built for efficiency and performance, featuring air crisp technology that circulates superheated air at up to 400 degrees for perfectly crisp results with minimal oil. Its 4-in-1 functionality allows users to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The powerful 1750 watt motor ensures quick cooking, especially useful when preparing frozen foods straight from the freezer. Its 5-quart capacity is spacious enough to handle family meals, accommodating large portions like chicken wings or fries with ease. Designed with convenience in mind, the non-stick basket and crisper plate simplify cleaning, while the compact structure helps save counter space. This air fryer is also a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods, reducing fat content significantly without compromising taste. Overall, it combines power, convenience, and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for users who want reliable, everyday performance.
Number 3. Chefman Dehydrate Air Fryer. The Chefman Dehydrate Air Fryer offers impressive versatility, functioning as an air fryer, oven, dehydrator, rotisserie, and roaster all in one appliance. Its rapid air heating system eliminates the need for preheating, allowing meals to cook faster while maintaining even heat distribution for consistent results. With a large 10-liter capacity, it is particularly suitable for families or meal prepping, giving you the ability to cook multiple items simultaneously using the included airflow racks. The appliance also features 17 preset cooking options, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Its ability to cook with up to 98% less oil promotes healthier eating without sacrificing flavor or texture. Additional accessories like the rotisserie spit and drip tray expand its functionality, making it more than just a standard air fryer. This model is ideal for users who want a multi-purpose cooking solution that can handle a wide range of recipes efficiently.
Number 4. Emeril 26QT Air Fryer. The Emeril 26QT Air Fryer is designed for those who need a larger, more versatile cooking appliance. Combining air frying with multi-cooker capabilities, it can handle everything from quick snacks to full meals for gatherings. Its dual-speed fan system ensures even heat distribution, producing crispy and well-cooked dishes using 360-degree air circulation. The spacious 26-quart capacity makes it suitable for preparing large portions, which is perfect for families or entertaining guests. The stainless steel exterior adds a premium look, while the French door design provides easy access and a modern touch to any kitchen. It also includes convenient features like an interior light for monitoring food and an automatic shutoff function for toasting. This air fryer goes beyond basic functionality, offering a complete cooking experience that blends performance with style, making it a strong option for users seeking both capacity and versatility.
Number 5. Chefman 450° Fahrenheit Air Fryer. The Chefman 450° Fahrenheit Air Fryer is built for high-temperature performance, delivering extra crispy results with its powerful heating capability. It features a unique high fry function that boosts the temperature to 450 degrees in the final minutes of cooking, ensuring a perfect golden brown finish on foods like fries and chicken. This model supports 4 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, reheat, and a specialized frozen setting that defrosts and crisps simultaneously. The intuitive touchscreen controls make it easy to customize cooking time and temperature, while shake notifications help ensure even cooking without guesswork. Its 8-quart capacity offers plenty of space for larger meals, yet the design remains compact enough for most countertops. Cleaning is simple thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket. With its strong performance, smart features, and user-friendly interface, this air fryer...
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.